Late at night, the Ohio State University campus feels empty and cold. The wind whispers across the old buildings. You walk past the bell tower, and then it happens. The bells begin to ring slowly, one by one. You freeze because the tower is locked and no one is inside. Students say the bells ring by themselves at midnight. They whisper about a shadow moving behind the glass of the tower. A dark figure that vanishes when you look closer. They believe it is the spirit of a janitor who died there long ago. If you hear the bells, you are not alone. Follow for more haunted stories and watch the full video on my channel.